Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a forward focus headlight bulb. First, ensure your vehicle is turned off and the engine is cool to the touch. You will need a few basic tools, including a flathead screwdriver and a T30 Torx bit. Remember to wear protective gloves when handling the new bulb to prevent premature failure. This process typically takes about 1 hour to complete, so allocate sufficient time. To begin, open your hood and locate the two T30 Torx screws that hold the headlight assembly in place. These are usually found on the top of the unit. Once removed, carefully set these screws aside to avoid losing them. Now, gently wiggle the entire headlight assembly to disengage it from its mounting points. Pull the assembly forward just enough to access the electrical connectors and the bulb covers at the back. With the headlight assembly pulled forward, you can now access the bulbs. First, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the small tab and pulling it straight off. Next, remove the rubber dust cover. For the low beam H11 bulb, twist it counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn and then pull it straight out. If you are changing a high beam H1 bulb, you will need to press a black tab to release its socket before pulling the bulb free. Now carefully insert the new bulb into the housing, making sure it is properly aligned. For an H11 bulb, twist it clockwise until it locks securely into position. If you are installing an H1 high beam bulb, slide its black socket back into place until you hear a click. Reconnect the electrical connector to the bulb. Before fully reassembling, turn on your headlights to ensure the new bulb is working correctly. Then, reposition the headlight assembly and reinsert the two T30 Torx screws.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.